The Remember Pill, Not a Pill. Written August 20th, 2014 by Sharon Young Bishop. Read by Martin John. As she entered her body vehicle with a smile upon her face, she had no earthly idea of the struggles she would embrace. The lights were bright, the music loud, the humans ever bound. They taught her how to smile, to lie, and eat food from a clown. They taught her how to walk, how to talk within the program of the world. But no one noticed or even cared that she was a different girl. The world is covered with disease, and no comfort can she find. Stronger humans walk before her, but she can see that they are blind. So now she spends her days trying to escape the Matrix plan. But those who hold the keys and know the truth have a spell upon the land. So one day she decided to break the Holy Grail. She pushed and pulled at the illusion until she broke beyond the veil. There, angels, teachers, masters, and guides all waited to share the truth with logical understand and never-ending proof. They told of her legend beyond the universal cloud. They told her how she came with others to make Prime Creator proud. We are pure energy. Everything is energy mass. No matter if it's half full or half empty, it is still a glass. Use your imagination, for it is your greatest way to escape and play. For this life is just a game, just a ride we take each and every day. The Remember Pill is given to those whose energy says it is so. The avenue of understanding who you truly are to those who want to know. So she quickly took the Remember Pill and walked beyond the veil to see her life past, present, and future, and all that she could be. We are all living many lives at the same time, and no one understands their own plight. So we walk the programs of this earth with stress, confusion, no evidence of light. No rest for the weary, we say, and yet there is a place where rest is often overlooked in nature's humble grace. We destroy the one who loved from us most. Mother Earth gives us all and never boasts. We crumble her, we tumble her, we fumble her, and yet she continues to give us love, like something no one else can give, the peace from up above. The Remember Pill will help us learn to remember ourselves at least, and to hopefully understand that all we are, the energy force, the one, the untamed beast, we are the cosmic force, the vibration, frequency, and stardust. We have to be the warriors that rescue ourselves. There is no one coming to save us. Just remember who you are, the infinite spiritual being, the oneness, all divine. Take the Remember Pill, beyond the veil, and you will live blissfully every time. end. Peace in becoming, light and love. Aloha. Thank you, Sharon.